How to buy a new car in 15 easy steps. Step 1. Scour the Auto Trader and internet websites day and night looking for a car. Step 2. Make a decision. Step 3. Test drive a vehicle just like it to see if you are sure you want that car.
Now that you've test drove the vehicle, would you like to drop the paperwork?
No. Step 4. Contact the actual vehicle owner and negotiate a price and plan to purchase said car. Step 5. Tell your boss you are flying one way to Utah to buy a car and will drive back to Atlanta.
What?
Step 6. Ask a beautiful woman to accompany you on a one-way flight and a 2,000-mile drive to purchase a car in the state of Utah because mathematically, even with the cost of airfare, gas, food, and lodging, it is still cheaper than buying the exact same car 7 miles from your home.
Okay, I'll go.
Step 7. Fly to Utah. Step 8. Purchase the car. Step 9. Take one nostalgic photo with you, the car, and the salesman you will in all likelihood never see again in your lifetime. Step 10. Drive home. Step 11. Get stuck and have to turn around in Aspen, Colorado in a late May winter snowstorm that closes down the only route through Denver, Colorado, and have to turn around adding 400 miles to your already 2,000-mile road trip.
Instead of going.
Step 12. Call your boss and tell him you will not make it home as planned.
What?
Step 13. Always stop when asked by the beautiful woman you had asked to accompany you, regardless if you just stopped 10 minutes ago so she can pee, get something to drink, get something to eat, whatever. Just stop. Don't argue. You're lucky somebody even went with you! Step 14. Enjoy the ride. Step 15. After 2,409 miles, regret that you did not do this sooner for as much time as it takes you now to go from 0 to 60. 6.2 seconds.